This morning, as I was making my morning coffee, I thought, I like these two creamers, but which one is actually better for me? I like the taste of this one, and this one I've used for years. Should I switch? Well, it was a decision I needed to make. So, what I did was, I took a picture, sent it off to my AI, and I asked, which one of these is better for me? I'm considering my weight, my calcium intake, my sodium intake, not calcium, and I'm already off sugar. I hit send. And AI says,
Given your goals, watching your weight, keeping sodium low, avoiding sugar, and not prioritizing calcium, the Coffee Mate Zero Sugar Chocolate Crème on the left is the better option based on your listed health priorities.
She then goes further.
Comparing sodium content, sugar, artificial sweeteners, and calcium.
She talks about how,
One contains corn syrup and sugar.
along with their effect on blood sugar. And then comes the verdict, which is what I've been waiting for.
Go with Zero Sugar Chocolate Crème.
Ah, that's quite interesting. I did not expect that. The reason she chose the chocolate crème seems to come down to sugar, even though it has slightly more sodium, 5 milligrams. So, unless I'm snorting creamer like Tony Montana, she thinks I'll be just fine. The verdict is not what I expected, but AI has helped me make a better choice this morning. What can AI do for you? What else can AI do?